Right, so good afternoon, everybody. We are here installing a brand new H3031 picked Solex carburetor from CB Performance on this 1641cc Volkswagen engine. The engine has been fully rebuilt, and we've just installed the carburetor and we're about to give it a start. So this is an out-the-box installation. Let's see how it will continue running, or if it will continue running. Alright, so one moment. As you can see, immediately as the engine starts, the choke comes on and increases the rev of the engine. Right? So out of the box, the engine sounds quite beautifully. Thanks for watching.